Hi, let's look at this question together. A rhombus ABCD is on a square grid. Using the line RS, draw a square PQRS such that it has the same perimeter as ABCD. Next, what fraction of the area of rhombus ABCD is the area of the square PQRS? So you have a rhombus ABCD that's already given to you. You have a line RS that's given to you. Now what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to draw a square that has exactly the same parameters as the rhombus. So let's look at the concept required. So when you have such question that is drawn on the grid, okay, how do you find the length here? Okay, the easiest way to find, okay, you don't have to compute the exact length, but rather you use the triangle method. So for every slope, if you realize for this slope here, it's actually 2 square to the right and 3 square down. And for this slope is 2 square to the right and 3 square up. Okay, so from there I can safely say that the length here is equal to the length here. So if you look at the rhombus, the four sides are exactly the same. Okay, so they are 3 square and 2 square, 3 square and 2 square. So now look at the line that was given RS. RS also have the same concept of 3 square and 2 square. So it means that one of the length here, the side is already the same as the length in one of the side of the rhombus. So all we need now is to draw a square starting from this line using the same concept. Let's look at the solution. Okay, so we know that RS is already 3 by 2. All I need, because it's a square, I just rotate by 90 degrees. So I rotate it, become 3 by 2 or 3 by 2, and I rotate again 3 by 2, I rotate 3 by 2, I rotate 3 times. I get exactly the same length. Okay, so with that, this is the final answer for the question in part A. So it's 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, so they have exactly the same length. Next, what fraction of the area of rhombus ABCD is the area of the square PQRS? So you are supposed to find the area so that you can find the fraction of the two. Okay, so how to find a fraction of such figure? The easiest way is actually to get the rectangle minus away the 4 triangle. So in this case, you will notice that the 4 triangles are exactly the same because this is 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, and so on. Okay, so there are 4 identical triangles. So if I have the rectangle here of 4 square by 6 square, I subtract away 4 triangle here. That will be the area of the rhombus. Similarly, for this blue square or rectangle, in this case it's a square because it's 5 by 5. Okay, if I get this area and subtract away the 4 triangle, I will also get the area of the square. Okay, the other thing you'll notice that the size of the triangle is exactly the same for both figures because they are all 2 by 3 or 3 by 2. Okay, so with that we can now calculate the area. So the area of the rhombus is the area of the green rectangle, which is actually 6 by 4, minus away 4 triangle. Remember to add is 4 here. The 4 triangle half base times height. So you get 12 unit. The area of the square is the blue color one. In this case is 5 by 5. Same thing, minus away 4 triangle, you get 13. So the question, what fraction of the area of rhombus ABCD is the area of the square PQRS? In this case is 13 over 12. I hope this video helps. Thank you very much.